to be talking about two different models of Battle-Born batteries. As you may have noticed in our last video, we talked about this big daddy down here, the GC3, which is 270 amp hours. So we're going to go through kind of pros and cons of each one and even show you the electrical system in our current client's van that has over 800 amp hours of lithium batteries, thanks to this big boy down here. And quickly wanted to say thanks to our sponsor, Squarespace.
Side note, this is going to be the last video we are filming in our tiny shop at our house because our big shop is almost done. 7,000 square feet of glorious space to build custom van conversions in. Cannot wait to share that with you maybe in our next video. But today we're talking about these beautiful batteries from Battle-Born. These are both assembled in Reno, Nevada. We're going to quickly run through a couple of my favorite things about Battle-Born batteries and why we love working with this company. Number one, customer support and technical support. They have an amazing team of sales and technical people who are ready on the phones to answer your questions about sizing your battery bank, what components you have, if you're swapping out batteries in an RV, what components work, what other components need swapped out. Their customer service is second to none in the industry, and that is first and foremost why we love working with Battle-Born batteries. Number two, like I mentioned, these are assembled in Reno, Nevada. They have an amazing facility down there. They're employing hundreds of new people in that community, and we are big on stimulating growth in small economic industries. And I think it's so cool how much they have grown over the last 5 years, and we are super proud to be partnered with them. Now, let's talk about the BB10012. They have now sold over 100,000 BB10012s. That's this little guy right here. What's really great about this battery is it will fit into places and replace older AGM or lead acid batteries because of the footprint and terminal placement. It's designed very much like those old lead acid and AGM batteries are. So if you have an old RV and you're swapping out and you want to go to lithium, this is going to be a great option for you. Now the BB10012 does also come in a heated version. If you're not sure if you need a heated battery or not, there's a link to a post on the Battle-Born website down below that will give you more information on the difference between heated batteries and non-heated batteries. Now this is only 100 amp hours. The GC3, which makes my life so much better, I'm a happier individual for it. I said that in a video and I don't think that my humor came across quite right, but all jokes aside, I love working with this battery. We are now installing stock in all of our conversions to GC3s, which this is 270 amp hours, so that's 540 amp hours of high quality lithium. Or if we're doing a 12 volt air conditioner, we're usually sizing up to 3 for 810. We are usually sizing up to 3 if they're doing a 12 volt air conditioner for 810 amp hours. Now, how can we fit 810 amp hours into one bench of a conversion van? Well, that is all because of the unique footprint and capabilities of the GC3. With the BB10012, if we were to put 3 of these end to end to end, you're going to have about the same footprint as you're going to have with the GC3. The difference with the GC3 is that we can actually turn this battery on its side and stack another one right on top of it. So with essentially the same footprint, we have gone from 300 amp hours to 540 amp hours. And that makes a big difference when every inch in a conversion van matters. Now, we're going to show you how we have laid these out in the bench compared to how we were laying them out previously with the BB10012 or even the GC2, which we don't have a case of. The GC2 is a similar 100 amp hour battery to the BB10012. It just has a slightly different terminal placement. It can be stacked a couple different ways. It can lay on its back, it can lay on its side. So that is one of the other ones that we have used in a few of our van conversions as well. But again, once the GC3 came out, we have totally switched over and are installing all of this in our conversions. So again, if space really is a priority for you, I would highly recommend looking at the GC3 for the unique stacking capability and mounting positions. One of the really cool things about this battery as well, and you'll see this in our installation, is that they actually come with a mounting kit that allows the batteries to be bolted together. So you can actually stack a battery on top of this and use their mounting kit to bolt it together for a really secure installation. It does have these nice pass-through straps for ratchet straps, which we use in our installations as well. So let's hop in the van and we're going to show you this installation of the GC3 in our client's van. So we utilize the bench areas in our vans as essentially utility spaces. And on the passenger side, we have our client's electrical compartment. Now, there's a lot going on in a small space. This bench is 72 inches long by 23 inches wide. And in here you can see we have stacked in the back 2 GC3s. So again, these are stacked on top of each other on their side and bolted together and secured with ratchet straps attached to eye bolts bolted through the floor of the van. We then have another one that's mounted next to the wheel well in front of our 2 stack of batteries. Now, this then allows us to build this little nice shelf above that battery where we have our Orion smart charger, our solar controller, another 12-volt fuse block, switches, bus bars, all of that fun stuff. And then right up here in the very front, we have our 3000 watt Victron inverter charger and our 110 volt breaker panel. Again, this layout wouldn't be possible if I was working with the BB10012 or the GC2, but with the unique mounting capabilities and installation of the GC3, we're able to fit 810 amp hours in this van. So, hope that you guys found this informative. We just wanted to give you a little bit of a look under the hood, if you will, of how we do our installations for our electrical systems and why we prefer to work with the Battle-Born GC3 right now on our current van conversion.
So hopefully this video helped you, like Alex said, to kind of decide between the 2 different models. They are both great. We are getting ready to put the finishing touches on this van, so you'll see another van tour out soon, and ours. I know we have not put out an update about our own van in forever, but we are hopefully going to finish that soon too. When van builders try to build their own van, it takes about 1.5 years and about 10 million changes. Today's video is sponsored by Squarespace, so we went ahead and wrote up a blog post comparing the batteries that we talked about today, giving more pros and cons there. If you're looking to build your own professional looking website without hiring an expensive web designer, then check out Squarespace. It's super easy to use and set up. Go in, add your own pages, add an about me, add a blog, and then from there, once you do the setup, it's so easy to go in and add extra blog posts, Amazon affiliate links, tags, categories, pictures, videos. It really is endless with Squarespace, and it's just a plug and play platform. If you're ready to check out Squarespace, head to squarespace.com for a free 2-week trial. And when you're ready to launch, head to squarespace.com/40 hours for 10% off your purchase of a website or domain. This is, like Alex said, the last video we're going to be filming in this shop, which is crazy. We won't have to send our employee out to run errands while we film, because we'll actually have room to film a video and have someone working in the shop. So you'll probably see some updates about the new shop coming soon too. We definitely want to do a full tour and walk you guys through the space. We've done that a little on Instagram, so be sure you're following us over there. And yeah, lots of exciting stuff in the works. We've got some family van conversions coming up, everybody's favorite. And just, yeah, some amazing clients we're working with at the end of this year and into next year, and we're just really excited. So you'll see a little bit more content from us coming soon, but holidays are coming up too. So anyway, that's it. I'm rambling. So see you guys next time. Bye.